This short guide will walk you through how to log into the AWS Console, a crucial skill for managing your cloud resources effectively. Whether you're setting up a new infrastructure or maintaining an existing one, accessing the AWS Console is your first step to unlocking a world of possibilities. So, let's dive right in and make sure you're all set to navigate your AWS resources with ease. First, you'll want to head over to the AWS Console login page. You can do this by entering the AWS Management Console URL into your web browser or simply searching for it online. Once you're there, you'll see a screen that gives you two options for logging in: root user and IAM user. For this guide, we're focusing on how to log in as a root user, which involves using the primary account credentials set up when your AWS account was first created. Now, on the login screen, select the root user option. It's important to choose this option because it allows you to access the full suite of AWS services and manage billing information. This is crucial if you're responsible for overseeing the entire AWS account. Once you've selected root user, you'll be prompted to enter the primary root email address associated with your account. This is the email address used when the AWS account was first established. Enter this email address carefully to ensure there are no typos, which could prevent you from accessing your account. After entering your email address, go ahead and click the Next button. Now, if the security system prompts you, you may need to complete a security text check, commonly known as CAPTCHA. This step is designed to verify that you're a real person, which helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to input the characters shown in the CAPTCHA image. If you find the CAPTCHA difficult to read, there should be an option to refresh it or listen to an audio version. Once you've successfully completed the CAPTCHA, you'll be asked to enter your account password. This password is crucial for securing your account, so make sure it's strong and not easily guessable. Type in your password carefully, and remember, passwords are case sensitive, so check for any unintentional capitalizations or misspellings. If you happen to forget your password, AWS provides an option to reset it by following the Forgot Your Password link. Finally, after entering your password, click the Sign In button. If all the information you've entered is correct, you'll be directed to the AWS Management Console. Here you can start managing your cloud resources, checking billing information, or exploring AWS services for your projects. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into the AWS Console as a root user. Remember, accessing AWS as a root user gives you full access to all the capabilities of your AWS account, so it's important to keep your login credentials secure. Consider enabling multi-factor authentication for an added layer of security. By following these steps, you can confidently access your AWS account and take full advantage of the powerful tools and services AWS has to offer. Thanks for joining me in this guide, and happy cloud computing.